What's up, Creative Squad? It's your girl KB, and we are back with another video. Today, this video is about my dog, Snow. Today is his birthday. So today I'm making him a Supreme sweater. Not Supreme, with a little twist. PUPREME sweater. So what I did was go on Google, found the logo font, Supreme logo font, whatever, I don't know. But anyway, printed it out. Bam, what? Supreme, PUPREME. So this is what this is. So before we get into this video, give this video a big thumbs up, press that bell, subscribe to be a part of the Creative Squad. What's up, Creative Squad? So this is me doing this by myself. I already pulled the backing off of this. So this is what I'm gonna do. Don't mind how the hoodie look. I didn't wipe it off or anything, but yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I'm placing it where I want to put it. Come on. Put it there. Hopefully it's straight, Creative Squad. I'm not yelling at anything because the girls are sleeping. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this. This is where I'm gonna put it. Cover this up like that. I got my Cricut heat press. Let's do this. It's counting down. See, Creative Squad, this is the sweater. Creative Squad, we're back. Look at my dog, Snow. Wait, come here, Snow. Let them see your hoodie. Look at this. Look at that. It says PUPREME. Snow got his hoodie on. Snow, you rocking in style. Snow, look, Snow. Snow, you like your hoodie? He's going to use the bathroom. So yeah, Creative Squad, we back. Turn around, let me see it again. Yep, PUPREME. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Press that bell button. Subscribe to be a part of the Creative Squad. We out.